Next, non-probability sampling. In this method, the samples are selected from the population by using non-random basis. So there are 10 pens. If you want to choose 2 pens, right, the 10 pens are in different colors, right, that is important. So if you want to choose any 2 pens from there, but you are taking blue pen and the black pen, right, so you are choosing a particular color pen, right, so there is no probability involved. This is not random, right, so this is non-random basis. So this type of method is called non-probability sampling. Here all population members have not get equal chance of getting selected, right. Examples: collecting samples from the public gathering places like parks, shopping mall, temple, function hall, etc. So if you want to collect samples, right, so if you want to survey something, right, regarding some important issues, right, in education system or general development system, in economic system, or whatever it is in one topic, in general topic, you want to collect the information, or you want to survey the so you want to survey that is the or you want to get the public opinion, right. So if it is the case, then you have to go through everywhere and select few pupils from various area, and you have to get the their opinion, right, that is the proper way. But in this way, for our convenient, we go to park, then there are some people. If you go to mall, there are some people. Then you go to the friend circle and ask. Then you go to temple, so already there a group of people. Then you have to you will ask them for their opinion about that policy. So this is a non-probability sampling, right. So next, posting survey link online. So if you are putting online, then those who are all having the facility of internet or whatever it is, then they will if you see the link, then only they will give their opinion, right. So it will not go to the all peoples, so various part of the society, right. Convenient sampling. First, sampling. In this method, the samples are collected from an easily accessible and readily available group or location. So convenient sampling means you can ask some friend circle, right, relative circle. So you ask their opinion. If you get the some information to survey, then you ask those people and you put your conclusion on that, right. Here the samples are not selected randomly. It is also called as grab sampling, accidental sampling, or opportunity sampling, right. Example: surveying people at mall, asking friends and family, or using online surveys with readily available participants. Next, judgmental or purposive sampling. In this method, the samples are collected based on their specific characteristics, knowledge, or experience, and the selection of sample depends on the knowledge and experience of one who collecting the sample. So it is also called selective or subjective sampling. Suppose if you have examples, if a car company wants to study the buying pattern of high-end luxurious car owners, so the high-end luxurious car owners are selective peoples only, not common people, right. So this is very selective, right. This is purposive, right. So we need to go to ask them what about the high-end luxurious cars types and their facilities, their futures. If you want to ask, you have to go to those particular people only, right? Not general public. So you have to judge the people, and then you have to ask for their opinion. This is purposive. So for the particular purpose, you are going to approach people. So you are approaching those high-end people only, right? Who are having high-end luxurious car, right? They collected sample from individual who they believe are not most likely to buy a who they believe are most likely to buy a luxurious car. Yeah. Next, quota sampling. In this method, first the population divided into strata, right? Groups, distinct group, right? Then the required number, right? The number means predetermined. So if you want 10 peoples or 20 peoples or 50 peoples, that is the predetermined number of samples are selected based on specific characters, right? This method is an non-probabilistic version of stratified sampling, right? Example, a consumer product company wants to do a market survey of their new cleaning liquid, right? First they divide the population into distinct subgroup based on gender, male, female, then age group, under 30, between 30, 50 and above 50, right? Then they set quotas for each group. So under 30 I need some people, right? 20 males from under 30, 30 females from under 30. So we are fixing a number, right? 30 males above 50, 70 females above 50, etc. like until the required number of samples are reached. Suppose if you want to take 200 peoples to survey, so you divide the number according to that, right? Finally, they send their representative to approach people at public areas like malls, parks, etc. to find suitable individuals with the above quotas and ask their opinion about the product. Last sampling, snowball sampling. In this method, samples collected starts with 1 or 2 members, right? So if you want to like insurance, suppose if you are an insurance agent, just you approach your friend. So if you are an agent, you ask your friend whether you are interested in the that insurance. So for the sake of friendship, he will join the insurance. Then you ask him to refer some of his friends or some of his family members. So like that it will grow, right? The sample will grow, right? The new samples are collected by the reference of previous sample, like a chain or network. This method is also known as chain referral sampling. Here the sample size are gradually increased like a snowball rolling down a hill, accumulating more snow, right? That is participants here, right? Samples as it progress, right? So if I have 2 friends, if I ask my 2 friends, then they will refer their family members or their friends. It will go to, then they will ask for their friends. Like that the chain will go, then the sample will grow. This sampling technique is commonly used to study a population that are hard to reach, hidden, difficult to access, right? Example, if you want to study the effect of smoking or liquor drinking, we need sample to involve people who smoke or drink, right? So the process starts with a small initial group of participants who then refer other potential participants and so on. So this is like this: first sample, then they refer to sample referred by first, then sample referred by the second set, and sample referred by the third, and it will grow like this, right? Thanks, right?